Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to actually purchase a package. So here you're logged into the back office. You need to, as you see here, I have 10 cards. I'm going to be increasing this. So you need to come here and click on Buy Packages. So when you click on Buy Packages, you have different types of packages that you can select from. So here you have the starter package. And I don't know if you can see this, but you can actually see the number of cards that you'll be receiving with each one of these. So over here, you'll be receiving 6 cards with the starter package. With the bronze package, you'll be receiving 25 cards. With silver, you'll be receiving 60 cards. And with gold, you'll be receiving 125. So I'm going to be going with the silver package. So I'm going to click on Add to Basket. Then the next step is to click on View Basket. Okay, so over here there is no coupon for this, but I've already done another video. Just check either under this video or in the playlist video of how to actually use a coupon code, but I'm going straight in. I'm going to then click on Proceed to Checkout. So what this does is that it then gives me the specifications that I want to use to choose to pay. So I'm going to be choosing Bitcoin. So you have Bitcoin, you can come in with Ether or Tether, USD, ERC20, or the Tron TRX. Just a quick note, if you're coming with Tether, just make sure that you are coming in with ERC20. The two types of Tether, there's the TRC20 and the ERC20. So make sure it is the ERC20 that you're coming in with if you're using Tether and not the TRC20. So I'm selecting Bitcoin. All I needed to do is then click on Place Order. So what this does is that it populates a little page for me where I can pay. So this is the amount due. So I'm going to just flip out quickly my phone and open up my wallet. So let's see here. So the good thing is that I normally use the QR code on my wallet for this. So let me just quickly scan this. Okay, I've got the address. I've got the amount 0.00812 and boom, it's sent out. Transaction in process. So this is the first part of the video. I'm going to wait for the transaction to actually complete, and then I will come back in the second part of the video and show you then what that looks like. Have a nice one.